Alright, so I decided to make a video on how to take off these little things. This is the things that hold in place the sun visor for the 90s Civic. As you can see, these are quite prone to breaking. As a matter of fact, when I picked up this new one-ish from the junkyard, the car that I got it from had one of them broken. So it seems to be a common thing with these cars. Now, let's see, it's pretty straightforward to take them apart. Let me get a flathead screwdriver. What you're going to want to do is put it through here. And when you put it through there, you want to push it in from the bottom and try to rotate it. It's pretty hard to do with the holding the camera. But you can see how it rotates. Then you can just pull it out. Right there it is. So pretty straightforward. You just push it in. When you push it in, it goes sideways, and then it lets you slide it out through the holes there that it has. And popping a new one in there should be no problem as well. You just put it in sideways, and then turn it around, and there you go. You have your sun visor holder perfectly fine working, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps you out.